Thank you, Blake. Yeah, so we were looking at that visibility map where the visibility has been tough, has been in Muskegon County a lot of this morning.
Yeah, and I can't imagine being, right on the lakeshore with the lake effect coming in and all the winds blowing, as Blake was just talking about. Someone who knows that pretty well is 13 Your Side's Aaron Sullivan, live in Muskegon State Park. Aaron, woo, yeah,
wow.
That looks pretty blustery right there. You've got the hood up, that's great. How are things looking over there?
Hey, I know. I had it down, but I'm telling you, once this wind just really picks up like it is right now, it's just best to put this on. It doesn't matter what I look like. We just got to make sure we can talk without the sand getting in my lungs. But yeah, if you were with us just, half hour ago, we were on the lakeshore, and I mean, those gusts of wind were so strong. This morning, Blake was saying 58-mile-per-hour gust of wind recorded here in Muskegon, and I can believe it. I would even believe it if he said those were even higher. But I want to talk about the kids. I know they're going to be locked inside today. They're not going to go to school. I know it's still holiday break. Maybe they want to go sledding. It's not going to happen today. But what a stunning view. Typically, we see kids down these sand dunes every time we get a big snow like this. We actually were here just a few weeks ago talking to a lot of kids who were begging their parents and grandparents to get them out of the house and take them sledding. But unfortunately, I think we're going to have to wait a little bit for that. So show them this clip here. I mean, you can even see just the sand and the snow that's getting picked up from the ground and just thrown across everything, especially in my face. But this grass here, I mean, you can even see this bending. Some of the trees here along the lakeshore completely bending over. So definitely seeing a lot of beautiful sights, but very, very, very strong gusts of wind and getting pretty cold over here as well. Also, really quickly, the lakeshore, like I said, it's absolutely stunning. But Blake said earlier, we are seeing waves that are over 20 feet high. Absolutely incredible. Mother Nature is really working overtime today. But yeah, if you're on the lakeshore and you want to get outside, especially on these sand dunes to sled, hang in there. For now in Muskegon, I'm Aaron Sullivan, 13 on Your Side.